Hi, so in yesterday's video we learned how Python works. So in today's video we'll learn how machine learning is used, what are the applications of machine learning, and basically why we need to learn machine learning. First of all, let's understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is nothing but we will be training the machine on the basis of feedbacks, databases, histories, inputs, and many more things. For example, let us take an example. Let us consider some rules. For example, assuming we are watching YouTube and YouTube shows us 10% music related content and 20% gaming related content and 30% education related content and 40% other sort of contents. How does YouTube get to know what percentage of content are you watching? Like, how does YouTube get to know that you are watching only the 10% of music? How YouTube gets to know that you are watching only the 20% of the gaming contents? Basically, it uses machine learning algorithms. But for every user, there is different values of percentage, what kind of content they watch. Some of them watches news, some of them watch sports, some of them watches like education, and some of them watches like some other content like vlogs, anything. How YouTube algorithm works based on machine learning. Basically, they take the input from the users itself. Like, they first recommend some of the random videos. When the user clicks on a random video, recommended video, the YouTube checks what kind of content are you watching, and it starts recommending similar type of contents or similar type of channels to you. Similarly, machine learning works. So the next question comes into mind: why should we learn machine learning? Actually, let us consider 6 points. First thing, it has better career opportunities. Like you can at least in today's generation, we need to learn machine learning because there is a huge gap in machine learning engineers and AI engineers, because AI will not replace a job, but the person who knows better AI than you guys will definitely replace your jobs. So machine learning is really, really important. The next, high salaries. Money is a particular thing where in the next 4 to 5 years engineers will be suffering a lot. And machine learning and AI is the future of the world, because AI is getting upgraded. As you can see, like the DeepSeek has already come into the world, and how DeepSeek gave a great competition to ChatGPTs. After all, it has been banned in some of the countries, but most of the content of ChatGPT has been already crossed by DeepSeek, where it has more thinking abilities than ChatGPTs. And like machine learning is a great future. It has a great future. And the next point why we should learn machine learning is machine learning products are majorly trending in a market, because as you can see, like all the AI models, LLMs, what we are using, where like you will be using ChatGPT type of models offline on your PCs, and we have like such as LLM models, and basically ML products are actually trending in the market. And like ML has a highly demanded professions in today's date, because AI has been a great future opportunities, career opportunities to everybody right now. Everybody is learning AI ML. And the last point, ML is fun. Why? It has algorithms, it has maths, it is absolutely a great fun. So the next question what arrives in your mind is why we learn Python itself for machine learning. See, the first point I keep here is Python is really, really easy to understand, really, really easy to execute. The next advantage of using Python is as Python is really, really fast to execute the codes, because Python has most of the machine learning algorithms or libraries in itself pre-built, where we can call the libraries and we can make our process fast. No need of writing the separate codes, like no need of wasting time in writing the extra lines of codes. And Python can go across all platforms. It has a wide range of platforms, so Python is really, really easy, fast enough. Okay, so let us see what is machine learning exactly. Basically, machine learning has let us assume two words, okay? Features, and we have labels. Let us take a cat. You can see it is a cat. So can you imagine whether this is a cat or a dog? Definitely it's a cat. How did you get to know that it's a cat? By seeing its face, its eyes, its ears, its nose, its mouth, its body language, its posture, anything. These all are the features of a cat. Its eyes, and like its eyes are very much different from the dogs, and obviously the face structure is very much different from the dogs. So I got to know by seeing some of the features. And cat, the word cat, what we are given to it, it is a label. We are given a label for this thing as cat, and this label cat has some features where we can recognize whether it is a cat or dog from those features. Let us take another example. Assuming this cat. So let us assume, can you say whether it is angry or happy or sad? What kind of emotions does this cat have? See, it is an angry cat. You all know, okay? By seeing its face expressions, you can tell that it is an angry cat. But how can a machine learn that it's an angry cat? Basically, we give some of the features, data itself, pre-built data from the data sets, where we will be assigning the little points at every dot of the face, like this dot like this face, so that the machine can understand what kind of structure is this, what kind of structure of face has been designed in the image, so that it can recognize whether it's a cat, whether it's a dog, whether it's angry, whether it's sad, anything. We train machines like this by the features and giving them a name as labels. These feature and label is a core thing of machine learning. Let us assume we have some data, like we have like 4 or 5 features of cat, and all the features have some of the points. What happens is features have some points and we have some labels like happy and sad. If most of the features align with the same numbers, then it's sad, and if most of the numbers align with the same numbers of sad, it's sad and it's happy. We differentiate between them. Let me show you with a diagram. Okay, so now let us take an example of databases, how databases and features work. Considering we have a data here with feature 1, with feature 2, with feature 3, and with feature 4. As I explained earlier, we have, assuming we have a cat and it has some features. Every feature has points. For assuming, as we are just assuming this 2.4, like for face, for eyes 2.4, and for face 2.5, and 3.0 for the nose, and 4.0 for the mouth. Assuming these are the data sets. Like this, similarly, we'll be having like 9, 10, 11, anything. So these features, okay, assuming these are the features and these are the label, these are the label, angry or sad. Okay, assuming these have a fixed data sets, and if this data set matches, it shows that it's angry. L1, this is my label 1 and this is my label 2. So angry is my label 1 and sad is my label 2. Assuming this matches, if matches, basically binary, it's the machine actually stores the data in binary, in zeros and 1. If it matches, then 1. If it doesn't matches, then 0. If it matches for angry, it's angry, so that the machine gets to know that the cat is angry through its facial expressions, for where we are calling the facial expressions as features in this, so that the machine understands that expressions are denoted in features for the machine, and these features carry out to the machine, and machine learns from this. Basically, this itself is machine learning. Basically, you are giving a data set and telling the machine that these are the data set, and we will be fetching those data sets for some features and matching those features one by one. When it matches, and we get to know that whether it's angry or sad. For a particular angry, we'll be having set of the numbers like 2, 2.4, 2.5, 3.0. If this number matches for the machine, then that's the cat is angry, so that it can conclude that the cat is angry by just denoting whatever you give command to that the machine. Yeah, so this is it. This is how machine learning works. In the next video, we'll learn what are the types of machine learning, what all topics comes under machine learning, what are supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, what are reinforced machine learning, and many more things. For today, this is it. Make sure you guys subscribe, you like, and leave a comment that if I have made any mistakes in the video. Make sure you guys find out the error or mistakes in me, so that I can be ready for the next video and I can make you guys comfortable with all the questions. And this is it for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.